Hi, my name is Christine. I'm an ostomy and wound nurse, and I work for HPFY. And I'd like to talk with you about the use of a tubular dressing. These are great dressings. They're secondary dressings, and they hold your primary dressing in place. It works by no adhesive properties, so it wraps around the wound. It's great for fingers, feet, toes, arms, legs. You can wrap the head, you can wrap parts of the body with it. It does come in multiple sizes. And there is no compression when this tubular dressing is put around an extremity or wherever you're using it. It's great for fragile skin. It's great for pediatrics, so that when you remove it or you need to change your primary dressing, there is no injury to the skin. These products are available on HPFY.